leg here, Sam. She reckons there's leeches everywhere.
Yeah, can't you see them?
No. They don't attack us Aussies anyway, we're tough. Oh, is that a toadfish?
I don't know, but it nibbled my toe.
We're going.
You sorted? Oh, Jesus, putting the wipers on?
Right here, it's about the same.
Honestly, it feels the same here too.
So we went to a lake and this Canadian lady told us to come to this lake called Spider Lake because it was warmer, because it was spring fed rather than glacial fed. But verdict is, she just wanted us out of the other lake.
I'm in a jumper. Ooh. I hope to get a good one.
We might be here a while.
Yeah, how long will we wait? We have a time limit.
It's just how long it takes to find the rock. What a story you'd have to tell. What happened, Sam? Talk us through it.
Matt was teaching me how to juggle and he wasn't very good at it.
Oh.
And the rock came up and hit me on the tooth.
How did it come up? You just decided to send it. Where are we, Sam?
Some donut shop.
Goat's Donut Shop in Coombs.
Billy G's.
Billy G's, that's the one.
Cheers.
Cheers. Thoughts?
Pretty good.
Pretty good.
Hey, buddy.
Matt,
Yeah.
what does the goat say?
Bah! Oh, that scared him though. I communicate. He just told me tongues.